She said, what you gonna do if I leave? I said, bitch, I'ma do me. B.I.G, bitch, everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Harmony. My friends call me Harms, you call me what you want. As long as it's not offensive, you know? Don't call me like bitch. Unless you're my bitch, then you can call me bitch. But if you're not my bitch, you don't call me bitch. Today's video is going to be on this glowing summer makeup look. This is like the look that I do when I just want to be glowing, and I'm not going to say that I'm not wearing a lot of makeup because I kind of am. This isn't like a no makeup look. I'm definitely wearing makeup, but I didn't like contour, so that's different for me. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I don't have that much time, but we're gonna make it work. Let's just get started. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. I'm going to the beach with my friend Leilani for like a barbecue for her job, and yeah, so it is really hot in San Diego right now. Hot for us. I say hot. People who live in like Las Vegas and Arizona and other places, they'll probably be like, girl, it's not hot. But yeah, it's like 85 degrees, which is hot for San Diego. I think it was like 100 degrees on Friday, which is absolutely ridiculous. When I got in my car, it's at 111 degrees. I said, where the f am I? But anyway, we're going to the beach today, and I'm really excited because I just love the beach. I'm so happy there. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready and show you guys my beach makeup routine. So I'm gonna do a talk through so I can, you know, talk to you guys, chit chat with you guys. My summer makeup routine is super simple, so that's why I'm gonna be talking, because I'm not really doing anything different. It's kind of just basic. So I'm doing my eyebrows first, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil, which has been my freaking gem lately. If you don't own this, I need you to go out and buy it and just try it. I love it. I'm literally so obsessed with it. Camera is only at 60%, so I'm a pendeja and I didn't charge it. So I'm gonna have to do this a little fast. Went to Starbucks this morning. Look at what they did. Like, really? You had to put it right over the Starbucks logo? So I couldn't even take a cute picture. The barista who made this was low-key kind of cute, and I was like, I want to do a video of following along to someone's makeup tutorial. So if you guys have any suggestions of someone you guys want me to do, like a particular video, let me know. If not, I'm just gonna pick one or a few and just, you know, try them out. I usually do my eyes first before I do my face, but I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna do my face first before my eyes. I always do my eyebrows first for some reason. I don't know why, I just always have. I feel like they just frame my face, so I need to do them first. I'm gonna be prepping my skin a lot right now. I've been using this new skincare, and I'm not gonna talk about it yet because I don't know if I like it, but if I do like the skincare routine that I've been trying, I've only used it twice, so like I said, I can't really talk about if I like it or not. If I do like it, I'm gonna email them and I'm gonna try to get a coupon code for you guys so you guys can try it out. So yeah, stay tuned for my skincare routine video, like a real one, not like the one I did the other day. The one I did the other day was kind of more of just like my nighttime skincare, but the one that I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be like my actual skincare routine. So anyway, so I already used the toner from that skincare line and the acne spot treatment, and then now I'm just going to moisturize my face. I'm using the Clean & Clear Advantage Hydrating Gel Moisturizer, and I love gel moisturizers. They're my favorite because they just soak into the skin. Since I am going to be at the beach today and I'm going to be in the sun, even though it's not really sunny outside, it's like overcast. So that's annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna use some sunscreen, and this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. So I'm just going to apply some of this to protect my skin. I love the way sunscreen smells. It reminds me of my childhood and like going to SeaWorld and the beach and the pool. I just love it. I want to protect my skin. I'm trying to take care of it more so that I don't have to wear foundation, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really that comfortable just not wearing foundation, but I really want to get to the point where I can just, you know, rock no foundation. I'm not to that point yet, so unfortunately. So I am gonna prime my skin. I've been using this primer for a few weeks now. It's the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. Guys, I am obsessed with this primer. If you don't have dry skin, don't use this primer, because I have dry skin and this keeps my face not dry, I swear. So now that my skin is all prepped, I am going to move on to the foundation. The foundation that I've been using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and mine is in 240. It's so crazy because when I went to Sephora to get this foundation, I didn't know what color it was, and I used to work at Sephora. I don't really like talking to the people who work there, and I like to do it myself. So I was kind of in a hurry, and I just was like, oh, which one looks like it would be my shade? Kind of just like holding it up to my face. And I picked this one, and it literally matches me perfect. So thank you, God, for helping me with that one. Just going to apply a few pumps to the back of my hand. And this foundation is very watery. I'm just going to dot it on the places where I want coverage, which is pretty much everywhere. But focusing it more on the areas where I need more coverage, like the cheek area, and leaving it away from like the middle of my face. And you want to get that neck because you don't want that line. So now I'm just going to take the rest of it and I'm just going to blend it. And I'm going to be blending this for a minute just because I really want it to sink in my skin and look as natural as possible. And this is like a semi-matte foundation. I did hydrate my skin a lot and put that primer that keeps my skin from being really dry. So that's why it looks a little dewy, because of that primer. I'm telling you guys, that primer is the freaking shit if you have dry skin. Pretty much my base is all good. I don't know if I want to do contour today, guys. I don't know. I'm just like kind of feeling more of like just glowing skin, a little bit of blush. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I don't understand how I already ran out of it. I swear like I just bought this, but whatever. So I'm just gonna do a little bit underneath my eyes. Just on my nose. I said I'm not gonna do anything crazy, and look at me. Look at me. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna really blend this in. Do I want to bake? I think I want to bake. But do I want to bake? I don't know if I want to bake. Oh, God. I'm gonna think about it while I do my eyes. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Geek Manny MUA palette. This is like old. And I'm gonna take just one of my little Anastasia brushes, and I'm going to be taking the color Beaches and Cream, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and my crease. And then I'm going to take the middle color, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease. Just taking a fluffy brush and just blending out the edges of that. I'm going to take Fifth Avenue from the Anastasia Mario Master Palette by Mario. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid with my finger. So I'm going to do my lashes real quick and then I'll be right back. I'm going to take my Airspun powder in Naturally Neutral, and I'm just going to bake just a teeny bit. I just can't not bake. I don't know why. that primer really does keep my skin moisturized, so I don't want to like look oily and stuff later, so I'm just going to apply just a little bit of powder, just a little tiny bit. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My manager always makes fun of me because he's like, are you Gucci? I'm like, I'm Gucci. Okay, so I'm just going to brush off the powder. I'm going to set my face and I'm going to use the MAC MSF Natural Powder, and I'm just going to go over my face with this powder real quick, just to add some color because I don't want my face to look super pale and white. I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm taking the ABHxAmrezy blush palette. I'm going to take a mixture of this color right here and this color. I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm going to make a little blush concoction. I just love blush. I love blush. If you add too much, just take your powder brush and just blend it. I even like to put some on my nose and on my forehead. And I just feel like blush just gives you like that summery glow look, you know? Yo, girl do got a big forehead. We gotta bronze that up just a little bit. So I'm taking the Shade and Light palette and I'm just going to bronze my fat forehead. So I just did my lower lash line and my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to move on to my highlight, which is my favorite part and the most important part of the look. So before I do my highlight, I'm going to spray my face with the Hard Candy Long Wear Sheer and the Long Wear Setting Spray, pain resistant, humidity protected, 12-hour long wear and hydration. Sponsor me. I'm just going to shake it, and this setting spray is actually really good, so highly recommend. So I just drenched my face in that. So you can see my skin looks literally wet because I put so much on. But that's the point. That's what I want. Before that completely dries, I'm going to take the ABHxAmrezy highlight. I'm going to be taking a Morphe M510 brush. And I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to like pat it on my skin. Same thing on this side. So instead of like rubbing, I'm literally just patting. So for the nose, I'm gonna take this little brush. It's a Morphe M322 brush, and I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose and highlight the tip of my nose. Highlight my cupid's bow. And obviously if you don't like this, you know, this much glow, you don't have to do it, but I do, so yeah. I'm also gonna just take my brush and I'm just going to highlight just like all over, kind of getting like a nice all over glow. I'm just gonna spray my face one more time to just lock in everything. So for my lips, I'm taking this lipstick from Maybelline. It's Touchable Toupe. I'm going to add a lip gloss because, you know, we want to be glowing. So I'm taking the e.l.f. lip gloss in Champagne Glam. It's the plumping lip gloss. Okay guys, so that completes this summer glowing makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, do all that, you know, basic stuff for YouTube, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys did use some of the products in it, let me know what you guys liked, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!